Hi guys, welcome to Share Vision channel. Today we are going to discussion about six stocks. Uh, these six stocks will be related to uh, power stocks, except four. Another two is one is Vakrangi, another one is cement industry like rain industry. So we will look after entire details of technical analysis in these six stocks. Let's go now. Is it right time to buy or not? We'll check about the technical analysis, then only you can get the idea about these stocks. Let's go. So before that, disclaimer, I'm not a SEBI registered person. This video is only for education purpose. So please subscribe and like the press button and watch it till the end of the video, then only you can get the idea about these six stocks. Okay, let's go directly. So I'm taking here MMTC. MMTC as of now trading, my current recording time is 2:50 today PM. So it is started initially bullish trend, but after that it will be selling pressure is started. So now it is formed like a doji candle. So my suggestion is it will be reach up to reach after this entry is the correct point, 67.25. 67 about 67.25 is the right entry point. So if cross the 67.25, then you can enter and invest the stocks. So first target will be at 75.9695, and it will go maybe up to 89. So if you are long term trader, you can use it this stock for long term up to 89. It will the target, but short term trader or swing trader, it will be reach up to 76 rupees. So add it to your portfolio. MMTC is a government company, no issues. So you can after breakout of this trend line, as well as this resistance, strong resistance, then your confirmation ready, then you can enter the stock. 67.25 is the entry point. So your target would be 76, first target. So you can use this opportunity for buying. Next stock is Tata Power. See guys, the Tata Power formula is like a triangle pattern, symmetric triangle pattern is a good formation, and breakout also given last two candles has been confirmed. So it has been breakout given at this level. So confirmation happened today. So I suggest this stock will be go to 127. So this is good buying opportunity for Tata Power, and also it will be reach up to my opinion is 135.85. So second target. So first target is 127.80. So Tata Power as of now currently trading at 116. So you can add it to your portfolio. Tomorrow also it may go up to above 120 level. So if you are a short term trader or swing trader, it will be useful for you. So this good buying opportunity, you can utilize it. Next stock will be, I'll take a Adani Power. See, Adani Power today only it has been traded high volume. So 185 millions it is trading today. See here, last past 5 days or 6 days, it has been giving a good volume. Now today is the most highest volume trading in Adani Power. So Adani Power is need to be added to your portfolio. It is going to be a very good rally now. So today is given some good breakout. Our previous target 145 is our previous target. It has been already breakout given this Adani Power. So my opinion is this stock will be move up to 192 or 200. So this stock must be reach up to first target is 163. So tomorrow it may be breakout given at this high level. So today currently trading at 151.70. As of now, I'm trading at around 3 o'clock. So you can add it to your definitely Adani Power will be give the good result. I think this will go to 192 up to 192. So it is a good opportunity for buyers. So I hope the stock will be give the good returns. So add it to your portfolio and watch it regularly with your keep your stop loss at this point of level. I think to 128 120 is you can maintain your stop loss, as well as you can enter this price today price also. Maybe 150 or 149 is the 145 is the right price to enter, and it will be go up to 192 or 200. So add it to your portfolio. Adani Power is going to be a rally, so there is no doubt about it. So add it to your portfolio. Then next stock is Rain Industry. Sorry guys, a little bit some internet issues. Some internet issues there. Okay, you can see Vakrangi. So sorry guys, the internet issues is started now, so that I could not able to. Now it is okay. I think Vakrangi. I'm searching here. Just a minute. Vakrangi. I'm taking a Vakrangi. Yes, Vakrangi. We'll see here. So Vakrangi is also breakout given at this trend line. After that is second candle. After the breakout, the second candle, it is now started again selling pressure. Even though what I am suggesting it, if this stock will tomorrow if open above this 52.20, then this is the right entry for us. So we can buy the stock after 52.20. Until that, wait. So this stock keep your stop loss at this price level 44 rupees your stop loss, and entry point is 52 rupees. After that you can enter, and it will be move up to 60 rupees. Short term traders, swing traders, and it will be reach may go up to 70 rupees or 69 rupees. So Vakrangi you can must be added to your portfolio and watch it regular basis. Definitely give the good opportunity for us. And now what I told previously, Rain Industry. Yes, Rain Industry we can see here. So Rain Industry, it is traveling in a some zigzag level movement, but even though it will be traveling in upward direction, so what I'm suggesting is it will traveling like this kind of uh, wedge rising wedge pattern. So it may go up to this resistant trend line. So definitely it will touch up to 204 first target, and 215 is the second target. Then it will be come down again, then retracement, then it will take a upward direction. So you can add it to Rain Industry also is the short term or swing trading purpose. You can utilize it for a buying opportunity. So I think Rain Industry will give the some good useful for us. So I think add it to your portfolio, watch it. And Orient Green Power we'll see now. Yeah, finally we'll see Orin Green Power. So today is trading around 9 million volume. So last 10 days it has been giving us some good volume levels, so that I'm taking the stock for today. I think it will gap up started. So today's gap up started and buying pressure is more here. This we look after this candle. So now currently trading at 2.85. So within a week or within a month it will touch up to 3.60. If you are a retail trader, if you are having a small quantity of this kind of stocks, you can utilize it for a small people, like a small amount utilizing persons. You can utilize it around 2000 or 3000 amount. It will be useful for good investment for us. So this stock will be move up to 3.15 first target, and it will be reach up to 3.60. So you can take your screenshot also, it will be very useful for you. And green energy definitely go up to 3.4 and 3.6. So add it to your portfolio, watch it on regular basis. Sorry for interruption of this internet issue. So thanks for your patience and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and useful for you. Please subscribe and support to me, and press the like button. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your supports. See you again. Thank you.